Hi guys, it's Lynn Smythe from the Creative Cottage. Thank you for taking the time to visit my YouTube channel today. If you've been following me online, you'll notice that the majority of the videos I do are unboxings, like when I win these online auctions. Like we just did this grandma's jewelry box unboxing a few days ago. But it's mostly like unboxing of mixed lots of jewelry. Today, I thought I'd do something different. If you've been watching my other videos, I keep saying, oh, I'm waiting to get like a jeweler's loop and a few other things to, kind of help me out with these boxings. Anyhow, I went out to mail an eBay order earlier today. When I got back, this was sitting at my front doorstep. It's a small order I placed with Fire Mountain Gems. This video should not take that long because it's not a very big order. Back to love. So let's see what we've got. They included this little, I guess it's their latest flyer on what's selling. So we'll put that to the side. Then I've been trying to figure out how best to sell my stuff. Originally, I was doing individual items, but I'm finding that's taking a lot of time to take all these pictures of each item, and my cat's climbing up on the back of my chair, then upload everything to eBay or wherever. I still have a few pieces listed individually. Like right now I have a Betsy Johnson necklace listed. I've got this Heidi Daus ring listed, but I'm starting to get so many individual pieces. I just can't. Yeah, here's my cat. Say hello, Miss Shadow. Hello. Hello. We'll see how she behaves. So anyhow, I'm starting to do lots of jewelry instead of just individual items. So I got these bags, which I thought could help me with the lots and be a good way to store my necklaces and stuff. A lot of times when the lots come in, it's just a big jumble. Everything's piled all in a big tangly, jumbly mess. I like to package my pieces individually if possible, like the earrings, the rings, the pins, etc. Kind of package it individually so you don't have a big tangle. Anyhow, now I think this is anti-tarnish paper, but it was on sale, so I can use it as just regular tissue paper, but I think it might be anti-tarnish also. So if you have silver pieces, you could wrap the silver piece in this anti-tarnish paper and then put it in a bag, and hopefully your sterling silver pieces won't tarnish as quickly. Another thing I find in these mixed lots, especially ones that are all just thrown in together, a lot of times they're missing rhinestones, but oftentimes you'll find if you get to the bottom of the box and kind of shake it out, you'll often find some loose rhinestones. So yeah, I'm going to try this glue. There were a couple others that looked like they might work for rhinestones. See if I can repair some of these pieces that have loose rhinestones. So I have a whole jar of pieces parts. They're either broken or missing rhinestones. So hopefully, we can take maybe 10 pieces and Frankenstein them together to make 2 or 3 usable pieces. So we'll see how that goes. If you've made repairs to your own pieces, let me know what type of glue you like to use. There were 2 or 3 that looked like they might work with rhinestones, so I wasn't sure. So I just kind of said, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, this is my ring mandrel. This is good because one of my auctions that I won was, or I think I've won a couple lots of rings. And some were the adjustable rings where kind of one size fits all, but some are sized rings. So this is just an inexpensive plastic ring mandrel, so I can give you an idea of sizes when I'm doing these unboxings or when I'm putting together the, there goes my cat. goodness. Having a cat is like having a toddler. They want to get into everything. Anyhow, this is only a couple of dollars. They do make really fancy, heavy-duty metal ring mandrels, but they're quite a bit more expensive, and I think that's more if you're making your own jewelry. Oh, cat, come on. I'm going to have to start locking her out of my office when I do these unboxings. Oh, here's something I wanted. This is just an inexpensive earring rack. So one of my videos was all earrings, and after I show each earring, I was just placing it flat on a tray. I'm just think, especially for the dangle earrings, I can hang a few pairs on this rack, so kind of give you a better idea of what it looks like when you're wearing it. I used to do jewelry shows years and years ago, and I used to have all kinds of metal racks and display pieces. I still have some of the jewelry trays and necklace tray or necklace displays, like this one. But I'm finding earrings, I want a better way to display them, or even for taking pictures. So this didn't cost that much. It was probably the cheapest display Fire Mountain had. And I think you can display maybe 20 pairs, 20 or 30 pairs. So that'll be interesting. And okay. Then I've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. So I'm hoping my jeweler's loop. Is this my jeweler's loop? Jeweler's loop, yay! I don't even remember which one I got. There's so many different kinds of jeweler's loops. The kind that light up, that don't light up, that some had more bells and whistles. I think I just got a basic one, or did I get a light up one? I don't know. I was on a kind of a budget. Like I said, this is just kind of a hobby right now, or a side hustle. I work a full-time day job. You know, I would like to transition this into something, you know, more serious, especially as I'm going to be 60 years old this year. So eventually I'm going to be thinking about retiring. This says illuminated loop LED light 20 power. So, ooh. Yeah, so hopefully that's going to help when I'm doing these unboxings. And also it's, you know, it's a small, it comes with this little case. I can put that in my purse. You know, if I ever get to any estate sales or thrift stores or what have you, and I'm trying to look at pieces. I got these tags. I don't know if I'm even going to use them now. I thought I would put tags on the individual items, but now, like I said, with rare exception, I'm mostly going to be doing, I think, bundles or lots. So I don't know. I also have I've been trying to give like a free gift with purchase. One of the videos, that 5.5 pound mixed lot of jewelry that I wasn't that happy with, came from the Wyoming Goodwill. If you watch that video, you'll see that a good chunk of that 5.5 pounds were 2 necklaces. I had, like, they sent me 30 or 40 each of these 2 kind of inexpensive necklaces. So congratulations, free with purchase. So if nothing less, I can use these as kind of like little note tags, you know, thank you for your order, you know, or hope you enjoy your order. Thank you so much for your business. Sign my name, whatever, and include that in the free gift with purchase. So I will use these. I do some scrapbooking too, just for fun. I don't sell scrapbooking supplies or anything. So this, you could do, what do you do with it? Tea dyeing or stamping or all kinds of fun things. I will use these tags up one way or another. Ooh, more tags, look. I think these will work if I ever decide to do like in-person shows, which at this point, oh heck no, but I used to do craft shows years and years ago, when you had to set up your booth and your display pieces and all that. These are good. These little string tags are quite small. You can attach them to the ring shank or the back of a necklace, and you could at least put your item number and maybe a price. Another thing, if you ever do like a antique mall or craft mall, consignment sales, you have to label your stuff. So, and again, these would be really cool for scrapbooking too. So, and these are just generic bags. I've been going to the dollar store to buy my plastic baggies, but the dollar store isn't $1 anymore. It's like, I think they charge $1.25 for 25 bags. So that gets pricey. So this, I think these are 100. Yeah, I think they have 1,000. So the more bags you buy, obviously the better deal you get. But like I said, I've only been doing this for a few weeks or a month now, and it's just a part-time thing or a side hustle. So I don't want to like go crazy and spend all this money if this really is just gonna be a hobby. What else? Fire Mountain. Oh, this is my free gift. Wow. How exciting. Didn't they used to send candy? I think I'd like a piece of candy instead. Like a Jolly Rancher. I think they used to send Jolly Rancher candies. These are just 2 polishing cloths. I think one's better for the metals. Yeah, sunshine polishing cloth. Safely cleans and polishes jewelry, gold, silver, brass, copper, blah, blah, blah. Glass mirrors. Oh. And then this is just for like glass. So I'm not sure which one's better. And I'm not being compensated by Fire, Might, and Gems. I, back in the day when I did shows, I used to order quite a bit from them. So if anybody from Fire Mountain is watching this, hey, give a girl a shout out. Let's do a deal. Let's be partners. Probably never going to happen in a million years, but you never know. And the last thing I got, see this somehow it's all janked up. See, I just took my nail polish off and I'm giving my nails a break for a day. I'll color them again tomorrow. When you're going through these mixed lots, a lot of times things are broken or things are loose, like the jump rings come loose and you have to kind of put things back together. I don't really have pliers, or I have one little teeny tiny pair of needle nose pliers, and then my thumb was the other pair of pliers, because when you do jump rings, you really need 2 pairs of pliers. So my hands will thank you. I finally treated myself to a tool set instead of just like loose tools. Now, Fire Mountain, you can spend as much as or as little as you want. They had some tool sets that were like $250, $300. I was like, wow. This was not that tool set. This was one of the more affordable tool sets. But I like how I've never had anything like this, which is surprising because I've been making jewelry for years and years and years, and always just had 1 or 2 janky pairs of pliers. So I don't really think I'm going to start making stuff from scratch. I mean, I do have some beads left over, but this is just really good for repairs. I think these are crimping pliers, when you're using like Beadalon or AccuFlex, and then the crimp tube. This is a 2-part closure for that. Then I've got bent chain nose plier, bent chain nose pliers, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and some cutters. I just noticed the few tools I had were so old, they weren't doing anything. Like the cutters would basically not even cut thread anymore. So this is just nice. Like I said, I didn't spend too much money on this set, but now I've got all these pliers. So hopefully, won't abuse my thumbnail anymore. Yeah, and I like how it all just zips up. Very handy to have. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go through all my leftover bits and pieces, the broken bits, and you know, start making some repairs. I think if you watch that earring unboxing, rhinestone earring unboxing I did, I had like 19 pairs of earrings. And I was like, oh, you know, this is a great lot. It's 100% usable. Nothing's broken. It's all intact. And like the last pair or second to last pair of earrings I was showing, I knocked on the side of one of the wooden displays and a big blue rhinestone popped out. Oh, it was too funny. So I do have that rhinestone, but I just need to repair it. And there's others that have to look to see if I have the replacement rhinestones. But this one was rated for using with rhinestones because it dries clear or crystal clear. You know, rhinestones have foil backs and kind of like mirrors almost. So you have to be really careful on the type of glue you use so it doesn't make the rhinestones look cloudy or it doesn't eat away the coating on the back. So we'll see if this works. It says it's flexible and strong. Crystals, glass, ceramics, metals, plastic, foam, rubber, wood, etc. Yeah. So I think this is kind you have to put a little teeny dot on both the item that, like on the back of the rhinestone and on the item that you're gluing it to, and you wait a few seconds for it to semi-set, and then you put them together, and then it takes, I think, 24 hours for it to fully cure. I used to use E6000 a lot when I was doing fused glass jewelry, but I was attaching these kind of larger pendant pails to the back of the glass, and E6000 was perfect for that. I don't think that would work with rhinestones. E6000 is kind of almost rubbery, sort of. So anyhow, let me know in the comments, like I said before, what type of glue do you like to use? And that's that. That was really quick. Not even 20 minutes. So I'm really happy to have gotten my order from Fire Mountain Gems. Can't wait to start using my jeweler's loop so I can see the maker's marks better, because some of them are very hard to see. So thank you again. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. There's nothing for sale in this video, obviously, but you know, at the end of each video, I have all my contact information, my links to my eBay, my blog, Facebook, etc. And if you ever see a piece in any of my videos that you're interested in purchasing, please reach out to me, sales@thecreativecottage.net, and we'll see if we can work out a deal. So thank you again, and have a great day.